Hello and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a brand new 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in dark sky metallic. Some of the many features that are included in this truck are automatic windows, electric adjustable and retractable side mirrors, seat memory, towing, 4x4, automatic headlights, fog lights and cargo lights, cruise control, heated steering wheel, phone compatibility, phone and media steering wheel controls, push button ignition, AM, FM and Sirius XM radio, navigation, OnStar, backup camera, dual zone climate, AC, heated and cooled front seats, wireless charging, leather interior, sunroof, heated back seats, sliding rear window, and enough space to comfortably seat 5 with room for storage. So don't miss out on your brand new truck. Hurry into Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our product specialists today.